Step 1. The most important thing is that how do you update the form 1099R? So update the entries as per your W2 under this number 7. It could be check mark, it could be early distribution, whatever be the code. Just select as per your W2. As you scroll down, you will see that there will be a checkbox which says that amount taxable in 2025 is figured on form 8606. You need to check mark that one. This will ensure that the tax is calculated based on 8606 and it will override the form 1099. Step 2. Now, as you update form 8606, which will override the entries in 1099R for your tax evaluation. So make sure that you check this box here, which states that the contributions to your traditional IRA that may not be fully deductible and may have to figure the taxable part. So you have to force the software to calculate the tax again. So you have to just replicate these entries. Those are self-explanatory, but the most important thing is that you have to make sure that enter the total of all contribution made to your traditional IRA during 2025. In this case, it will be around 7,000. I hope you're not exceeding that limit. If you exceed, you need to pay the penalty. And the distribution that you've done from your traditional to Roth IRA, make sure this you do it in 7,000. This will ensure that when the tax is calculated, it will go to 8606 and it will know that, hey, these were the $7,000 that you have converted from traditional IRA to Roth IRA. Now we go to the one of the most important step 3 that you must do. Otherwise, step 3, creating the basis, the deduction screen. You need to go to the adjustment to income and under federal deduction, adjustment to income, IRA deduction, you need to enter the amount here as you can see on my screen, $7,000. The software will ask you that how much deduction you want to take. Just enter 0. By entering 0 here, actually you are telling the IRS that I already paid taxes on this 7,000. This creates your basis. Once you hit save, certainly your tax owed at the top of the screen should drop right back where you started. To verify that, you can even look at your form 1040 line 4B. It should show your total distribution on the left and the taxable amount on the right should be 0. Once you do that, I think that's a victory lap and you should be all set. Thanks for watching.